Hello students, good morning. This is your social study class now. Students, today we will learn the spellings of the chapter 5, clothes. So you take out your pencil and mark and page 26. Open your book, page number 26. So start reading the chapter. Then we will find out the difficult spelling and we will learn that. Okay, then start. Chapter 5, clothes. Underline clothes. CLOTHES, clothes. CLOTHES, clothes. Clothes are one of our basic needs. Basic, 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 basic. Okay, so basic needs rather than clothes. Do you know roti, kapda or makan? Then that means food, house is also basic things, basic needs. So basic, you learned the spelling. We need clothes to cover our bodies and look smart. Cover, COVER, cover. Underline cover, COVER, cover our bodies, BODY, body, and bodies, BODIES. Okay, bodies, underline it. And smart, SMART, smart. Very good. Then we need clothes to protect us from heat, cold and rain. What is the spelling of protect? PROTECT, underline it. PROTECT, protect. Next, clothes. Clothes keep us clean as they protect us from dirt and dust particles around us. What is the spelling of particles? PARTICLES, underline this. PARTICLES, particles. People wear different kinds of clothes. Different types of clothes. We wear clothes according to different season. According, ACCORDING, underline this. According, ACCORDING, according. So we wear clothes according to different season. Okay. Next is clothes for summer season. We wear cotton clothes in summer. You have to read out with me. Give reading of the chapter. Okay. We wear, 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 underline wear, cotton clothes in summer, cotton, 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 underline that. These are made from cotton. Cotton clothes are made from cotton. We get cotton from the cotton plants. From where we get? We get it from the cotton plants. Cotton clothes are light and comfortable. Okay? We feel easy, comfortable. cotton clothes are light. Light is very simple. I think you know all the spelling. Comfortable. Underline comfortable. Okay. Now learn the spelling. COM FORTATABLE. Table. Comfortable. Break the syllable and then learn the spellings. Comfort. COM FOR TABLE. Table. Comfortable. Okay. Next. They can be washed easily. Clothes for winter season. One thing more. See, clothes for summer season. You underline summer also. What is the spelling of summer? SUMMER. 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 Okay. Underline summer. And then underline winter also. WINTER. Winter. Say WINTER. Winter. Okay. In winter we wear woolen clothes. Okay. And wool is obtained from sheep. We get wool from, so you have to underline obtained. 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 The main word is obtain. 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 Okay. So underline it. Firstly, a sheep's hair is cut off. Then the hair is spun. The hair is spun and woven into clothes. So underline spun is SPUN. Spun. And woven. WOVEN. Underline this. Woven. Okay. Into clothes. Then spun is SPUN. Spun. And another is woven. 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 The next para is clothes for rainy season. Underline rainy. 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 When the rains, when it rains, read with me. When it rains, we wear special types of clothes which protects us from the rain. So underline special. SPECIAL. Special type of clothes which protect us from the rain. They are called a raincoat. Underline raincoats. RAIN. Rain. COATS. Raincoats. We also wear gumboots. What is the spelling of gumboots? GUMBOOTS. Underline gumboots. Along with raincoat. Both the raincoat and the gumboots are made from rubber. What is the spelling of rubber? RUBBER. Rubber. Underline. Yes. Underline rubber. Or plastic. 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 Again. Learn again. PLASTIC. Plastic. Okay. You will spell 3 or 4 times. Okay. Then you can memorize. So underline plastic also. They keep us dry. We also carry an umbrella. What is the spelling of umbrella? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Underline this. Umbrella. Okay? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Which is made from synthetic cloth. So, to protect us from rain. Which is made from synthetic clothes to protect us from rain. So, please underline synthetic. What is the spelling of synthetic? S-Y-N, syn, the, T-H-E, the, T-I-C, tick, synthetic. Break the syllable and then memorize it. Okay? Special clothes. School children wear uniforms in school. Underline uniforms. U-N-I-F-O-R-M-S, forms. We pronounce forms, uniforms, but don't forget to write R here. R is silent here. Forms. Uniforms. R is silent here. U-N-I-F-O-R-M-S. Sometimes a group of people who do special jobs wear uniforms. So, in this sentence, special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special, underline it. The picture of a few uniforms are given below. Now, read out the uniforms, types of uniforms. School uniform, doctor uniform, then lawyer's uniform, policeman's uniform, and soldier's uniform. What is the spelling of lawyer? L-A-W-Y-E-R. Underline. And what is the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. And soldier? S-O-L-D-I-E-R. Underline that also. People in our country wear different kinds of dresses. What is the spelling of dresses? D-R-E-S-S-E-S, dresses. D-R-E-S-S-E-S, dresses. Okay? Gujarati dress, Kashmiri dress, Punjabi dress, South Indian dress. Underline Gujarati, G-U-J-A-R-A-T-I. Kashmiri, K-A-S-H-M-I-R-I, Kashmiri. Punjabi, P-U-N-J-A-B-I, underline Punjabi. And South Indian dress you can write. Okay, so learn the spellings and write in your class or copy and then memorize it. Okay, learn and write in your classwork copy, then you will memorize all the spellings. So the class ends here, students. Good day.